Hey, how's it going? You already know who it is. My name is Key, and you're tuned in to another boring stream. And today, I'm going to be continuing my Golang project. If you were with me in a previous stream, then you probably know that I've been working on this little game battle simulator type server type thing. I'm not really sure what it is, to be honest, but I'm just making it and I'm having a lot of fun along the way. So we're going to pick up where we left off. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm gonna figure out this green screen thing a little better. There we go. Okay, so, you know, the best thing about having a split keyboard, by the way, is I can have my chicken nuggets in between. Because that's my reality right now. Okay. I got my NeoVim set up here. My cool anime background. I need to figure out how to make my NeoVim slightly transparent. Because I want to be able to see just the smallest, faintest bit of my... Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can do that right now, actually. Let's go to our friend Cloud and see what's up. I'm just gonna ask him to help me, or ask it to help me. It's not a he. In lazy how can I control the transparency of them? Oh, what I'm trying to say is, I mean NeoVim in relation to the background color Ooh, do I even want to go into all this? Okay, if you want your images to appear in the background, show your terminal background, then have this config. What do all these things mean? I don't want it to be maybe just like, I don't know, 5%. I forgot where my percent key is. Oh, percent is my Z. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a lot. Oh yeah, this is gonna be too much. It's too much. I ain't doing all of that. I'm sorry. Imagine being AI, typing out all this stuff for me to do, and I just don't want to do it. How about that? Somebody said, why his head so big in the stream? Somebody asked me that in real life, by the way. So now I just look at my camera, I look at my screen, in OBS every time I stream. I'm just like, dang, is my head like all up in the camera? Because you know, I'd be squinting. Okay, so it seems like changing the transparency overall is not, oh wait, maybe this is it. Oh. Let's try it. So I customized my NeoVim setup so that I can just open up NeoVim, and from it, I can open up any of the directories or anything I want. And I have it already set up to do the configuration files. So I think I can just go to my color scheme. And okay, so I don't want this transparent background. What do I really want? So tell me what you want, what you really, really want, what you really, 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 really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want, what you really, 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 really want. I wanna. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Okay. Okay. Capuchin. Okay, so this is my theme here. Ribalot, Kanagawa. Kanagawa. Kanagawa? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay. Okay. I wonder, does Lua have a similar? I haven't really coded a lot in Lua, but are the dependencies kind of like Golang, where you just give like basically a URL where they're stored like in Git? So you don't need like a service provider like npm to host. Yeah, I'm so sorry you'll have to hear me chew. But I don't take it back. I'm sorry. It's so good I can't resist. So delicious. They're literally finger licking good, except they're vegan. Okay, now there must be a more efficient way to do this. Maybe I'll just search background. Ooh. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I like that dim inactive window. That's kind of nice. Let me set that to true. Okay, so there was a shortcut that I was using before. So it's C I W, capital W. There you go. True. I pushed something wrong. Okay, let's try this again. Yep, second time's a charm. See how smooth I did that? That was impressive. Okay, so, okay, I got one more chicken here. I'm done. I gotta put this somewhere where my dog doesn't sniff his little snoot into it, because he will sniff his snoot if I leave it. I propose I do some type of, can I do like a fuzzy string search in here? Will that work? Let's just look up the word background. Search this repository. Okay, so here's a hex code for color, but this does not include the alpha. Okay. I might be getting caught in the weeds here. It might be better for me to cut my losses. I'm just gonna give this maybe 2 more minutes. If I can't find anything, then I'm gonna go back to what I was doing. Oh, is this the theme here? Kanagawa Dragon? Let's go look at that. I wonder if I could just give it a background color that is transparent. It's worth a try. I think it's worth a try. Okay, I'm gonna cut my losses because I just don't want to do it and then I mess up something and then that's my night. Yeah, because I really want to just do some programming. So, okay, that's cool. Maybe I'll do it later on for the next stream. Let's go ahead and get nice and scratched out here. Get my little key maps, and I also need my cheat sheet. Where to go? Back down. There we go. I need to get an app that will organize my screen for me, or like save a layout for my screen so I don't have to do this every single time. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Oh, that looks cute. It's a nice little assortment. Okay. Let's get to this. Okay, so I gotta remember where I was last time in this project. I was looking at it earlier, so I am just a little bit refamiliarized, but I gotta take a little tour real quick. Okay, so the idea here is that, oh wait, I'm sorry, I forgot to save this. 1 second. Shift colon, and we'll do W. And then I gotta do Command Shift T. Wait, how to open the terminal again? Leader FT. Oh, that didn't do it. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, wrong button, wrong button. Leader FT. There we go. So git ls or pwd. Oh, you know what? I could use lazy git for this. That's what I have that for. Okay. I forgot about that. So we'll go ahead and do leader FT. Oh. How did I open up another one? Ah, man. Tough stuff. Can I just do exit? Why can't I get rid of that one? Okay. X. Man, I'm getting real mixed up right now. Okay, back. Escape. Leader FT. Leader F. Oh. Oh, loud. Help me. Okay. I'm literally struggling. I'm fighting for my life right now. FT, close. You keep opening up new ones. I just want to get rid of all these terminals. Why are you torturing me? I'm dying. I'm dying right now. FT. I want these dang things closed. Okay. Okay, hold on. You know what? The FT. Okay, let's try this one. Normal mode, leader FT. What did I do? Like, for real. And then I know I did leader FT. And then I gotta get rid of this one. Leader F. Okay. So maybe this one's a regular one. Oh, man. Okay. Let's try this again. How do I get rid of this one? What am I doing that's not working here? Okay, I just quit window. I guess that works too. I was struggling there, y'all. Oh man, I had a little freak out session. I be cracking up. I be dying over here. Okay, so leader, G, and G. Oh, nope, that's not the right one. Oh, I must not be in the right folder. No, I don't want to make a new one. Escape. escape. What is going on here? Okay, that was weird. How was I supposed to exit that without my mouse? Okay, so leader G E. Nope, that wasn't it. Leader. Okay, let's look at our guide here. I know it's one of these. Leader G. Oh, okay, I think I know what the problem is. Nope. I don't know why this also keeps pointing directly to that other project, no matter what I do. I'm pressing escape and I'm not able to cancel. Okay. Okay, so how do I change my working directory? Okay, so I gotta, okay. Oh, I see what happened. I didn't open up the folder. I opened up a specific file. So, okay, so I need to be at the top level. Okay. I think I can do, I should be able to, oh wait, is this it? I think this is it. Okay. I'm so confused right now. Why would it give me that message about this not being a Git? Maybe I didn't read that right. Okay, well anyways, let's go ahead and do this one. So we can add, or to stage this as space, and then I can do a command with C, just write changed, wait, inactive windows. Man, I burnt like a good 30 minutes just trying to get this far. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go ahead and commit. Oh, we can go ahead and push. Oh, gotta be capital P. Okay. And then I think I can do, I think I can do shift colon. Oh, nope, that was the wrong thing. Is it, there you go. I think I can do source %. You know what? Let's just do this. Yes, close. It's probably gonna give me that weird thing like you didn't close out your buffers. I should have done it I probably should have did that the other way. That was a very aggressive way to close that. You know, I regret that actually. That was a bad decision. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open up again. And we can go to projects and we're gonna go to Golang. Turn base. And yep, any of these. Oh. Nope. Okay, so okay. Whew. Dang. Okay, so where was I in this? I was working on the abilities, and basically I got the abilities, the test for the abilities to work up to the point where I started to write a test for the actual status effect. So I just need to finish, I think, writing the status effect. Yeah, I think I need to finish writing the code for the status effect stuff, which is going to be in the character. Right here. This is going to be the function that gets called to process the status effect stuff, basically. Okay, so I have a single character here that is going to be the target. We're just going to directly apply a status effect to them. Okay, what I should do is open up a new window. Oops. How do I do that? Split. Oh no, this is one way to do it. There's like another way. Leader. That. Okay. So the second buffer, let's go ahead and open up. Or here, let's do this one. How do I change which file the buffer is showing? Okay, shift H and L. Okay. So we actually need to open up status. And then to change windows, it's command. Okay, so command is how we switch. Oh, what did that do? That killed it. Maybe it was control. Yeah, control H is how we can move between windows. And then shift H and L is how we can change the buffers. Okay, I gotta remember that combination. That's my golden eyes. Remember that combination. That's my focus tonight. If I do anything well, it's gonna be shifting between windows and controlling what is in the buffer. Okay, so this left buffer, I want to open up the character.go. And then we do okay, so Okay, so here's where I'll write the function, the method for the character that will be called here. Okay. And so what will happen is that the status, okay, status effect, we append to the target, which is going to be a character. It's going to hold an array of status effects. And then what I want to happen is every time there is a actually, we don't need to test out the actual way the status effect. We don't need to test out the way the status effect is going to work each round, I don't think. We just need to test. Well, okay, yeah. That's what we want to do. We want to test it. What was I thinking when I wrote this? Integer 13, 16, 20. Okay, so every time we go, okay, so we're gonna have 3 rounds of the status effect because each of these are 3 duration long. Okay, so that part makes sense. And then every time, oh man, I didn't put comments in this. Oh, okay, wait, expected numerical values for stats after round. Okay, so accelerate, that should basically, how am I getting 13, 16, 20? Oh, you know what? I think I had devised a formula for this. Yeah, I did. I did this in Run.js. I remember it now. Yeah, I remember it now. I saw it earlier today when I closed this. And I was like, why did I do this? Okay. So those numbers might not be exactly the same, but basically what I came up with what is this formula that will calculate, or no. I didn't want to do like a direct formula, like if the armor is 10 and the health is like 20, then if the damage is like 20 with the armor being 10, then the final damage is only 10. I didn't want to do something like that. I didn't want it to be straightforward. I wanted to have a scalar for potency, so that it's not like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just not like linear like that. So, okay, so potency of the ability. This is like, okay, so this is like the potency in the character model. Let's look at these things side by side. Okay, so this potency right here is the same as this potency right here. And this duration is the same as this duration. So this function here will make a new value for the affected stat. And the affected stat could be health, or it could be attack, or if it's like a buff, it could be attack. You know, if it's a debuff, it could be any of these, but in the negative. And a loss of health is a debuff to the health stat, basically. And I don't, and I also wanted to find a way to scale these because, like, for example, if I have 10 health points, that might mean that my health actual HP is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 549. Um, oh wait, no. I think the way that's supposed to work is if it is. Wait, I have the abilities. Let's see. Let's see what it says in here. Um, is it in abilities? No, it's in it's in status. Okay. I need to enable word wrap. Do I have that in here? Later UW. Okay. There we go. Okay. So each round increase speed by percentage based on potency. Okay. So we're saying the affected stat plus whatever the affected stat is times the potency divided by the scalar. So the potency here is going to basically determine the value that will be altered on the target stat. Let me put that in my comments. Okay. Where's the $sign? $sign is this. Oh, that's clever. Okay. Okay, so we'll just put a comment here. We'll say potency. Potency determines. How did I lose my word wrap? Oh, I lost it. Okay, so potency determines what the value is for the stat change. And so right here, what I'm saying is I'm expecting the outcome to be okay, so this is going to be above, so these need to be positive numbers. Yeah, let's just say that. To be a positive number. And then damage needs to be a positive as well. Healing should be in. No. Damage should be a negative. Yeah. So we need to go down. say enraged is a stat buff. Okay, I think one of the things I'm assuming here is that every tick of the round, the stat increases, and that might not always be true, but that's what I'm going to start with here. Maybe I should change the names of these because there's probably going to be two classes of duration effects. One where the value is constant, and then one where the value can increase or decrease. I'm just going to treat them all like this. I think that would be interesting. This would be an interesting way to do it if I don't get to the other way. Okay, so recovering needs to be positive because that's a healing. And undefined status recovering. Okay, we got to go to the other buffer. Don't forget how to do it, Key. Is it shift? Nope, that's the buffer. It's control. And then shift. Regenerating. I changed it. Oh yeah, that's right. I changed it to regenerating. Okay. Hey, look at that. It helped me out. Okay, so status regenerating. Healing needs to be positive. And then I'm going to make poison a debuff instead of a buff. And I might call these boon and curse. Oh, comment, please. So I'm thinking poison might be something like if someone is poisoned, then that means that they lose some stat. And maybe I can just, I think poison might reduce I don't know, I'm making something extreme. It reduces all stats by like all non-health stats by a certain amount. And then after the first round, it just decreases the health by like some number. I probably need to start this character out with more health while I'm at it. Let's do 100. Okay. Okay, I keep grabbing my mouse. So curse is negative, buff is positive integer, damage is negative, healing is a positive integer. Okay, and then as far as these numbers here, these are just going to be what I expect the effect to be on a specific stat. So maybe my little complex idea won't work so well, but I'm gonna just go do this here. Okay. No, it's all this. Okay. So I'm thinking. Accelerate stat. Let's add. Oh wait, let's read what my comments say. Each round increase speed by a percentage based on potency. Okay. So if the potency here is 10, that means that the effect. So this isn't really apply effect. This is really just a function to calculate the effect strength. That's really what this is supposed to be, I think. So this is 15 if the potency is 10. If the potency is 3, then it's 11. Potency is 2. 1. Okay. I feel like the potency... oh, I know what I was doing with this, I guess. I was figuring out like what the potency looks like as it scales up. I think that's what I was trying to do. So if I change this here to 11, we get a bigger gap between the numbers. Oh wait, no, I need to do the scalar. Oh, let's do 10. So 20. I feel like I need to make a table for this because I feel like this is going to get lost if I don't. Or write some really dense comments. Okay, I might need to do a table for this in Python or probably a notebook in Python to capture this. Okay, I was wanting to do compounding, so I guess the only thing is I need to figure out what compounding means in this context because I know how to get this. I guess I don't want to have to introduce a new state here, a new state item to keep track of how many times the effect has been applied. Well, no, I can do it 3 times. But I need to be able to put a number in here, I guess. So if I was able to make it like 1 versus 3, maybe that's why I have the scalar here. 20. So first round, third round. Okay, I think I only need 1 of these. And if I make it where this is a function that receives arguments, this might be a little better. Oh wait, you know what? I don't even need to do that. I don't even need to do that. We can just go here and so we can do this. Okay. And so the only thing we need to change here is we need to be able to pass in the potency. Or we'll call this EP. Okay, so I need to be able to give it different values here. And see what potency is 1, 2. Three, 4, 5. 6, 7. I really need to look into a more programmer-friendly layout like Golang, because having the split keyboard's nice. The only problem is that the symbols, either I'm going to have to just buckle down and learn to manage the symbols being elsewhere, or I'm going to have to figure out another way to handle this. Okay, if I use decimal numbers here, then I get a nice pace or spacing between these. I might need to do, let's do 0.5. 0.05. I got a typo there. Whoops. Okay. 0.25 to 0.5. 3, 5, 7 is nice. I think I can get to that if I take this whole number and divide it by 10. Here, if I take this whole thing and divide it by 10. 3, 5, 7, 9. So that's the Fibonacci. No, it's not Fibonacci. That's just the odd numbers. So the potency now is influencing. Oh wait, what did I do wrong? I feel like I accidentally hit keys so much. Okay, so now I've created a way to scale these numbers. There's probably a simpler way to do this, but this is what I came up with, okay? Shoot. Okay, and if I do negative, then I get negative values. Okay, but I probably don't need to do that. You know what? Maybe I make this function take in a scalar. Yeah, I should probably do that. That would make more sense. Because whether it's like a healing thing or a damage thing or whatever, like healing, HP is just operating on a different. Okay, what I'm trying to say. When it comes to HP, HP is not really the same as the other stats because it's probably going to be a number that is scaled a little higher because it's going to make it mathematically easier to have like combat formulas. So anything with HP is probably going to need to have a larger scale in terms of the actual numbers that are generated for the various increments of health, depending on the level of the character. So what I'm thinking is if I make the scalar pass into the function to apply the effect, then that scalar can be a constant depending on one of the whatever stat it's affecting, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. For now, I'll do this hard-coded and just treat them as something I'm doing, you know, where they are, but yeah. So I'll just leave a comment here. I'm going to translate this into Golang here soon. So this, what can I say? EP. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and try to write this. I don't think I need to do the test stuff in here yet. I think now that I have this figured out, I can just go here and update these numbers. Since these are compounding status effects, I'll just use these numbers here, and I will, okay, so for here we'll just put SC, and then we'll add, we'll make a new variable here. Make a new variable, whoa, wrong side, variable here. We'll call this normal stat scalar. And we'll make this 0.5, and then we'll do health stat scalar. And for this one, we'll do 5. We'll just do 5. I don't know what that looks like. I gotta try it. Okay, so we'll just make some of these. So this first one's for normal stat scalar. One thing I'll say about learning NeoVim is, like, I feel like trying to go back and forth between regular editing and NeoVim editing is kind of an awkward fit right now. Like, my brain is definitely working extra hard to keep everything organized, which is, I think, a good thing because it's very mentally stimulating. But also using this new keyboard makes it, you know, just all the more challenging. So it forces me to be very present when I code, and it's a kind of a miracle that I can talk right now, to be honest. I'm like doing extreme multitasking. Okay, so those are the scalars for the first, I don't even need to have all of these. Let's just do the first 3. Okay, and then we'll do effect, apply. My parentheses are so out the way. It's on my second layer, and it is the D and F. Okay, D and F. Okay, D and F parentheses. So we'll do 1 health stat scalar. 2 health stat scalar. 3 health stat scalar. Okay, so I went the wrong direction with these numbers. So smaller numbers make for higher, smaller numbers for the scalar make for higher, the larger numbers in the output. And this should not be called apply effect. Can I change the name of the symbol in here? Yeah, let's do find and replace. We'll call this we'll call this effect value. Let's call it effect effect value. Okay, effect value, and we need to make this number maybe like something like 0.25. 0.25? Nope. Okay. Oh, you know what it was? It was the third number that we had, that 10. What do I call that then? We call that the reducer. No, not reducer. All I'm doing is I'm taking this number and I'm call it the divisor. We should call this potency scalar. Potency scalar, and then the other one can be called stat divisor. And let's just find I did that wrong. Oh, wait. There we go. Nope, that was the wrong key. Okay, I did it a second ago. Find and replace. It's replace is Command Option F. Command. That's 4 keys. Oh man, you got me jacked up. Okay. And we'll say with okay, so then we can call this number here the divisor. Okay. You know, I don't know if I like the scalar being a separate variable, but I'm gonna stick with it right now. And we'll make a new one here called const normal divisor. Equals 10. And then health potency scalar. So we need a const health potency or health divisor. And we'll say, we'll just make it 5 for now. divisor. Oh, wrong one. Health divisor. I wonder if health is the only stat I should treat like this. Maybe like mana or something, or the energy source would be another stat that has its own unique divisor and scalar. Okay, so now these can work independently. And let's change the scalar here to 1. And change the scale here to 100. Wait, how did I mess this up? Oh, I'm not using the divisor here yet. Okay, I gotta add the divisor. Let's call this divisor. Okay. Okay, so we can do 0.4. Let me make the number higher. Okay. I like this. This might be kind of nice. No, why that doesn't make sense. Let's do 0.01. Okay, so for this heal over time, I guess 100 HP probably makes. How long do I want this round to last? Let's do point. Let's see, 0.25. I need these to be whole numbers. This is kind of nice, actually. Okay, so each round for the, this should be called heal. For the heal potency, divisor. So each round that this heal happens, this heal over time happens for regenerate, it'll heal potency scalar. Okay, gotta change this here too. So each time this is activated, it'll be 10 for the first time, and then the next round will be 15, and the next round will be 5. I don't know, this formula might be very roundabout, but I like it because it gives me 3 different ways that I can manipulate this value to kind of scale it and make it scale in either direction, I guess. So that's nice. Okay, so what I'll need to do in Golang is I need to write just the method for, should I make this in its own method? That's another next question here. Let's start by maybe writing this out as comments. Process status effect. Yeah, let's go ahead and write the comments for process status effect, and then we'll take a break. So we'll take in, so process will use whatever is in the array of status effect data. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make the character with the status effect inside of the slice, which is fine. So we'll have to loop over each of the effects in the slice. That's going to be the status. Status effect, data, slice. So when we loop through, we'll have to have a switch for each type of status effect. A switch for each type of status effect, and then we'll apply the effect that's described. So we're going to have a separate function for the, what do we call this? Let's call this get effect value. Let's do this here. Get effect value. So get effect value is going to be this code that I wrote here. So I'm not sure how to I might get some help with, I'm gonna plug this into Claude AI just to get a little bit of help with this part, and also to have it kind of help me document this idea. And then I feel like I can just write this same thing directly here without needing to do the comments and everything for it. So, okay, so I'm gonna come back in like, let's say, I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes. Don't go too far. But if you go anywhere, make sure you make your way back to the wolf pack. Ow. Hey, how's it going? I'm back. Have more chicken nuggets. Just can't stop. Okay. I might only have like maybe 30 minutes or so in me. It is very late. It is midnight. Um, I don't want to be up too late because I have a busy day tomorrow. So let's just go ahead and get back into this. I'm kind of eating while I do this. Okay, so I want to use Claude really quick. I literally made the worst chicken nuggets possible, which is saying a lot considering these are microwavable. I don't know how I messed it up. Well, first I want to use Claude to understand if this is the best approach. A game mechanic for applying status effects. Let's take one more look at this. Duration doesn't really matter for this because I'm thinking, well, duration would help me know. Ooh, that's a good point. Oh. Duration would be the thing that looped. So let's take this, let's make one more change. So there's no range method in JavaScript. That kind of sucks. Okay. And then while I is less than duration, where's my plus? Ooh, I forgot already. It is my. Was this the one I couldn't find the other day? Oh dang! I feel like this is the one I couldn't find the other day. Maybe it's on the physical keyboard. No. Plus is usually with the. Is it up here? I think it's shift equal still. Let's try it. Yeah, it's still there. I wonder why it doesn't show. Yeah, I wonder why it doesn't show. Yeah, okay, well anyways, I'll have to just accept that. Okay, so while this is happening, then we need the curly braces, which is ER. Curly braces are for emergencies. That's how I remember on my keyboard. We'll put I. Why is it not showing? I mean, the console log is showing, but it's not showing a call to function. Maybe I'll just have the function console log. So then I don't need this. Let's put a console log here. Ooh, this is weird. Um, there's something weird with the runtime. I'm not gonna trust it. It's fine. I don't need to do this console logging stuff, to be honest. I'll just get rid of it. Okay, and then, okay, so I think we're good. That's funny. That's so weird that the runtime's weird. Okay, so I think this is what I needed here. Okay, so the duration is being used to determine what the value is. So the longer these go, the longer the duration, the stronger this is going to get. Like if I have a really strong, really powerful one, it can go up to 500. This is mind-boggling. Okay, anyways, I'm not going to fiddle over this too much. I'm just going to give Claude this logic. Let's see. I'm going to say, help me clean this up. No. I just need I think it doesn't understand what I'm trying to do still. This is what I wanted here. Okay, so I got that piece now. I'm just gonna save that and come back to it. Okay, so get effect value. That's basically calculate effect value, and this will take in, or it will use let's just write let's write the signature of the function. Here's my star. Let's go ahead and pin this. Stars under stars P. And I might end up using these constants in different places. Okay, so get effect scaling value. And how do I make these windows different sizes? Y'all, I am in Windows hell right now. I have too many windows. So to make the windows bigger or smaller, I don't know what I just did. Okay, so it should be control. Oh, that did not do that. Okay, I gotta probably look for my I feel like I did this yesterday. Why is this being weird? Okay, space W. Okay, plus and minus. Okay. I'm just pressing buttons. Let me stop. There must be an easier way to do this. Instead of having to push like 4 keys all at once. Let me look that up here. I'm just going to try out something really quick. Okay, so we can try it here. So it works in here. Oh, that's moving that. Okay. No, I can't believe this because I know I did this. Okay. Okay, I guess that's how it goes. I can close this. Okay, that doesn't seem practical, but I might need to find another set of keys for that specific thing. Okay, well that was a big distraction. So at least I got it done now. So get effect scaling value, and this will return. And oh wait, as far as arguments, what do we need? So this will need to have the scalar. We'll need to have the C this will return an integer. Yeah, we'll just do integer. I don't want to get into like weirder numbers, I guess. So integer. So we can take that code here. Oh, we gotta define the types for the, we'll just take this. And then we can import math. We'll do stat. And then we'll say the modified stat equals C dot, and then I think we have to do it like this. I think that's how that should work. Oh wait, no, we don't need the dot. I think that's what we want. And then same thing here. And then is our import in here? It's not. Okay. Okay. I think that is really what we wanted for that function. We can write a test for it too. We'll put it right here. Oh, the music stopped. That means my time is almost up, or it is up. Okay, so when I finish this, then I can actually write the code for the status effect processing, because I can run this inside of the switch statement to figure out what the value is to modify the actual stat. And you know what? Also, I think here's my run.js. Oh, this is relative to whatever the stat is. Oh, I wasn't taking that into account. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's okay, I can fix this. Let's hard code this. Oops, what did I do? I messed this up. So what I can do is I'll just put 10 here. I'll put 10 here as well. Where's my backspace or my delete key? I should have this off screen so I can look at this on another screen. My key map. I probably don't need. Actually. You know what? I don't mind that I'm doing it that way. It's going to be fine for the normal stats, but it's just going to be potentially weird for I messed that up. How did I mess that up again? It's going to be potentially weird for the health, but you know, it's fine. I can just figure that out when I get to that. So we'll just fix this. And whatever the stat is, we'll get from the character. We'll get the value here, and we'll get it here. And start. Okay, so I think this is good. I'm going to take it for now, and then I'm going to do a commit as well. How do we do the terminal again? You're a T. Oh gosh. Oh wait, I don't need this. Also, earlier I was being traumatized, so I'm scared of it. Oh gosh. Okay, how did I do it earlier? Oh, we gotta fix our imports. Divisor. Undefined divisor. Oh, it doesn't like that. Did I break this earlier? Oh, this should be a string. Oh, I can't just do this straight out the box. Okay. Okay. How do I do this in a simple way? Um, oh, yeah, that is right. Well, it's saying here I can do that. I knew I could, but I guess it doesn't like that I'm doing it this way. No, this shouldn't make a difference. Just gonna try one thing here. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. Oh, I just can't do it inside of the, okay. Well, that's weird. I'm gonna fix this and I'm gonna go. Oh. It doesn't know that I have this. Okay. Wants me to do it this way. I'm gonna give it to him. Okay, messing this up. Okay. Okay, so we just need to import. Oh, it's just int. Okay. Okay, we fixed it. Oh, you know, that would have been way easier if I wasn't using this keyboard. That's been half my time thinking about the keyboard. I haven't even been listening to music. Okay, so let me turn the music back on, and then we'll do the lazy get thing. Get on out of here. I need a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I think I'm going to get one of those here in a second. Go to sleep. Wait, hold on. What music is this? Okay, you're good. Make sure it's copyright free. Okay, so let's do GG. No. No. Oh, I didn't save my file. Yeah, we should save this one. Then we can save this one as well. Oh yeah, I added the to do. Up here. Okay. This off screen. I have to use my other keyboard because I still have a hard time entering like passwords and credentials, anything with a lot of symbols and stuff in it. It's kind of hard for me. Okay, so I did not get a whole lot done, but I got some done, so I'm gonna be happy with that. That is a win. What is a win? Okay, so thanks for coming by. The chat was real quiet today. Hey, how's it going? Hey, Palma. Sorry, I was like so caught up in this. Sorry I didn't get a chance to look at the chat, and now it's like super late. So I hope you come by again. It's good. It's good to see you. Thanks for coming. Okay, I'll catch you. Peace out.